Yo, what's up, family? It's your boy OG.BOSS.DIZZLE, man, back with another video. Check this out, man. Got something special for y'all today. Got this old Yoast Fabrication, or Yoast Fabrication joint, man, in the mail, man. So, without further ado, man, let's open this joint up, man. All right, man. So, damn. Oh, got the logo. All right, here we go, man. All right, so this is what comes in the box. Let me see. What does it say? Acrylic emblem installation and care. Use rubbing alcohol to clean and wax smooth surface, peel, blank, blank, blank. Give tape 24 hours bond before parking in the sun. Clean fingerprints from emblem, blank, blank, blank. Remove scratches. All right, cool. And then they give you a nice little, I guess it's basically, you know, the design and, you know, the quantity and all that stuff. They gave me a card and also looks like a sticker and a keychain. All right, cool. I can rock with that. All right, man. Check it out, man. Bam, man. You know what I'm saying? This is the emblem, man. You know what I'm saying? So, check it out. Go ahead and put this on the truck, man. Yeah. You know, it's kind of thin, man, but, you know, it's real. It's real sturdy, man. About 1/16 inch. Sturdy, though, man. I think it's actually, they say it's acrylic, but I think it's actually brushed aluminum. And, you know, this is actually like a 3D feel to it, man. This is engraved in there, like the letters and all that stuff. I'm going to take it out, man. Hold on. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Yeah, this is engraving, man. It's raised up off there. You know, the glasses is raised. Everything that's black is raised. And white, everything that's white is flat, you know. So, yeah. It's dope, man. I'm gonna stick this mug, man, right on the fender on the driver's side, man. And I think it's also, you know, weather resistant, man. But, you know, we will see as time goes on. But, yeah, I'm geeked about this, man. I'm going to put this on there, man. If anybody out there, man, you know, you want to get you a custom emblem for your ride, man. And I know how y'all cats are, man, with your, you know, with your Chargers and your Challengers and all that stuff. Mustangs, man. Y'all want to customize it, man, go and holler at Yoast Fabrication, man. I'm gonna have the link, man, you know, below the description, man. But yeah, man, check this joint out, man. Yeah, man, but one more look, man. You know what I'm saying? OG.BOSS.DIZZLE, man, with his own, you know, truck logo or whatever, man. Y'all can get one too, man. Just go and holler at Yoast Fabrication, man. Yeah.